Include foods in your diet that naturally cleanse your arteries and reduce the risk of heart issues. According to WebMD, arteries are essential blood vessels responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood throughout your body from your brain to your toes. Maintaining healthy arteries is crucial for preventing heart attacks and strokes. The British Heart Foundation highlights that some individuals may have blocked arteries or arteriosclerosis without even realizing it until they experience symptoms like angina or claudication. Unfortunately for many, the first indication of this condition is a stroke or heart attack. However, there's no need to panic, as there are simple dietary measures you can take to promote arterial health. By subscribing to our channel, you'll receive more valuable tips like these, so remember to turn on notifications to stay updated. Now, let's explore some foods and beverages that can help maintain healthy arteries and prevent future health issues. Starting with number 1, fish. Consuming more fish is highly recommended due to its abundant healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These acids have been shown to positively influence blood cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing the risk of arterial blockage. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, it was discovered that women who consumed 2 or more servings of fatty fish experienced improved cardiovascular health. Some fish varieties that you can incorporate into your diet include herring, tuna, trout, mackerel, and salmon. Moving on to number 2, citrus fruits. A study published in the journal Arteriosclerosis revealed that citrus fruits significantly reduce systolic blood pressure and stenosis. In fact, citrus fruits were historically used to treat scurvy in the 18th century. Additionally, research from the University of Southern California Department of Preventive Medicine indicates that foods high in viscous fiber protect arteries from clogging. Starting your day with a delicious piece of grapefruit is both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. Now let's move on to number 3, walnuts. A study conducted by Yale University's Prevention Research Center demonstrated that walnuts enhance arterial flexibility. Furthermore, recent research from Spanish scientists, as reported by Dr. Wheel, indicates that consuming approximately 8 shelled walnuts is more effective than olive oil at safeguarding arteries from damage that can occur after a high saturated fat meal. Therefore, if you're a fan of nuts, prioritize walnuts due to their numerous benefits. Moving on to number 4, flaxseed. If you're not already a fan of flaxseed, it's time to start incorporating them into your diet. These tiny seeds offer numerous benefits, including promoting arterial health. A study published in the Canadian Journal of Cardiology concluded that flaxseed can have significant positive effects in both primary and secondary prevention of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, Cleveland Clinic notes that flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and phytoestrogens, all of which contribute to heart health. You can easily find ground flaxseed and add them to your favorite bread recipes. Some cereals even include flaxseed as an ingredient. Moving on to number 5, turmeric. When it comes to the health of your arteries and heart, turmeric should be your best friend. According to turmericforhealth.com, over 200 research studies have explored the therapeutic effectiveness of turmeric and its active compound curcumin in various heart conditions. Not only does turmeric protect the heart, but it also combats different metabolic conditions that contribute to the development of heart diseases. Finally, number 6, green tea. Numerous studies have examined the potential link between green tea and cardiovascular disease, as mentioned on health.harvard.edu. Green tea has been found to have positive effects on heart health, and incorporating it into your routine may be beneficial. In a study involving 40,530 Japanese adults, it was observed that individuals who consumed more than 5 cups of green tea per day had a 26% lower risk of heart attack or stroke and a 16% lower risk of all-cause mortality compared to those who consumed less than 1 cup per day. Now let's move on to number 7, cinnamon. Consuming cinnamon in its natural form offers numerous health benefits. It is considered an antioxidant and possesses anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in Diabetes Care found that cinnamon improves glucose and lipid levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, a meta-analysis conducted by the College of Pharmacy at Western University of Health Sciences in Pomona, California, concluded that cinnamon can effectively reduce cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Moving on to number 8, pomegranates. Many people enjoy indulging in pomegranates, not only because they are delicious, but also because they offer heart health benefits. According to lifeextension.com, both laboratory and clinical studies have demonstrated that pomegranate can prevent various pathological changes associated with cardiovascular disease. The fruit fights cardiovascular disease by reducing oxidative stress, supporting the synthesis and activity of nitric oxide, and much more. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.